Hello, this is Tony Heller from RealClimateScience.com, setting the record straight about climate. In this video, we're going to look at some unique climate mathematics. Experts say that Canada is warming twice as fast as the rest of the world. Experts also say that the Arctic is warming twice as fast as the rest of the planet. Experts say that mountains are warming twice as fast as the rest of the world. Experts say that Sweden is warming twice as fast as the global average. Experts also say that Alaska is warming twice as fast as the global average. Experts say that Finland is warming twice as fast as the rest of the world. Experts say that the Great Lakes are warming more than twice as fast as the oceans. Experts say that China is warming at nearly double the global average. Experts say that Ireland is warming twice as fast as the rest of the world. This is a very interesting one. Experts say that national parks are warming twice as fast as the rest of the U.S. Carbon dioxide must be a very evil molecule. It targets specifically inside national park boundaries. Not wanting to be outdone, Russia is warming 2.5 times faster than the rest of the world. The western U.S. is heating up at nearly twice the rate of the rest of the world. The Tibetan Plateau is warming twice as fast as the rest of the world. Britain is warming faster than the rest of the world. Europe is also warming faster than the rest of the world. And at the bottom it says, scientists are 95% certain that humans are the cause. So it's pretty clear that almost every place on Earth is warming faster than the global average. And that most places are warming twice as fast as the average. Only in climate science could such absurd mathematics exist. And it's not just true with temperatures. Experts say that Greenland is melting twice as fast as the rest of the Arctic. Experts say that Antarctica may melt twice as fast as expected. Experts say that Alaskan glaciers are melting twice as fast as models predicted, and Himalayan glaciers are also melting twice as fast. So apparently glaciers all over the world are melting twice as fast as other glaciers. But this one is my personal favorite. Rutgers University, New Jersey shore sea rise is more than double the global average. Sea level along the New Jersey coast has risen 1.5 feet, more than twice the global average of 0.6 feet over the last century, according to a Rutgers University report compiled for state officials and released Thursday. The Rutgers scientists say the rise is largely the fault of humans and our use of fossil fuels. Most people understand that water seeks a level surface. Water can't pile up at one end of a lake, and it can't pile up at one end of an ocean either. If Antarctica melted and the oceans rose 1 meter in one place, it would have to rise 1 meter every place else too. You can get minor short-term variations in the rate of sea level rise from place to place depending on wind and other factors, but over the long term any large-scale sea level rise will be seen everywhere. Now let's look at what the Rutgers University report actually said. Sea level is rising faster at the New Jersey shore than the global average because of land subsidence, sinking. Well, that is a completely different story than what the journalist said. Let's read again what it says in the newspaper article. The Rutgers scientists say the rise is largely the fault of humans and our use of fossil fuels. But that's not what the Rutgers article said. Again, the article said sea level is rising faster at the New Jersey shore than the global average because of land subsidence, sinking. New Jersey, like every place else along the east and Gulf coasts of the United States, is sinking. This makes it appear like sea level rise is occurring faster there. But it's an illusion. The sea isn't rising any faster at New Jersey, it's just that the land is sinking. Then they say, in the 20th century, sea level rose by 12 inches at bedrock locations. Along the Jersey shore from Sandy Hook to Camp May, it rose an additional 4 inches due to compaction of sediments caused by natural effects and groundwater withdrawal. This has nothing to do with fossil fuels. The newspaper reporter is simply misrepresenting the Rutgers report. The 1990 IPCC report said there is no convincing evidence of an acceleration in global sea level rise during the 20th century. And New Jersey tide gauges like this one at Atlantic City show no indication of an acceleration in the rate of sea level rise. Sea level at Atlantic City is rising at a rate of about 4 millimeters per year, and 100 years ago was rising at exactly the same rate. There is zero indication that humans have had any impact on the rate of sea level rise in New Jersey. And we see exactly the same thing at Sandy Hook, New Jersey. Sea level rise rates are the same now as they were 80 years ago. And as the Rutgers University report pointed out, a lot of this is because the land is subsiding. I think it would be safe to say that every climate journalist is twice as fake as all the other ones, and that is climate mathematics at its finest. Visit Toto on the web at realclimatescience.com. He's been pulling back the curtain on junk science and propaganda for a long time.